Introducing the amazing For Life compensation plan. After several decades of success in the network marketing industry, Mike Akins had witnessed many talented, hardworking networkers never achieve the level of success they deserved, or achieve it only to lose it. This dilemma drove Mike to question why this was happening. If network marketing was supposed to support the average individual, why was it not happening? The challenge drove him to search for an answer. Mike decided to finance what became the most extensive study on the network marketing industry that has ever been done. Research and marketing consultants unlocked many mysteries of the industry and revealed many factors that hindered the success of many network marketers. One of the important factors was the compensation strategy. Many network marketing companies target the top 1% heavy hitter because they can bring in a massive amount of people. But this study found many network marketing groups attrition out from the bottom grassroots members, then climb to the top 1% heavy hitter. The answer is to have a balanced compensation plan that maximizes the payouts for all 7 categories of networkers. For Life Research was able to accomplish this by developing a unilevel hybrid compensation plan they named the Life Rewards Plan. For Life pays out 28 different bonuses among the 7 categories of networkers. 11 of these 28 specifically target the grassroots members. Grassroots members make up 90% of any network marketing company. It goes without saying how vital it is for the grassroots members to be able to get into profit. The For Life Rewards Plan compensates the grassroots members in a tremendous way, which helps solidify the growth and retention overall. The grassroots members enjoy a 25% instant discount on all personal LP over 100 LP, level pay, which is 2% first level pay up to 100 LP, 25% second level pay up to 100 LP, and 5% third level pay up to 100 LP. There's also Rapid Rewards, which is 25% fast start bonus on first order of those enrolled on their first level. You also get 12% fast start bonus on the first order of those on their second level, and a 5% fast start bonus on the first order of those on their third level. There's builder bonuses. You will also receive a $50 builder bonus, a $200 builder bonus, or an $800 builder bonus on top of your other commissions each month. Then there's infinity bonuses. Grassroots members also receive a 6% infinity bonus as a diamond and an 8% as a diamond elite starting from their 4th generation down. On top of these benefits, by enrolling in the For Life loyalty program, they receive 15% back in loyalty points on their monthly order to use towards free products. With an order of 125 LP or more, they also qualify to receive a free bonus product of the month to consume, resell, or gift to help them connect with potential customers. For Life's Fast Start bonuses and the 25% second level pay helps a member to get into profit more easily and quickly. Let's say Bob enrolls and purchases 100 LP worth of product. He enrolls Sally at 100 LP, who then works with Bob to enroll 4 members at 100 LP each on her front line. Now Bob is breaking even. There are companies that pay out 5% and 10%. Now let's say Bob enrolls and purchases 100 PV worth of product. He enrolls Sally, who also purchases 100 PV worth of product. But Bob still has to enroll 9 more people at 100 PV each to break even. For Life's compensation plan pays out 25% on the second level to encourage members to help their immediate downline. This is why you saw Bob help Sally enroll 4 members on her front line. This not only makes it easier to break even, but also encourages consistent growth throughout an organization. This helps retain a higher percentage of leaders and eliminates cluster growth because leaders are working with their leaders. For Life maximizes the payout for the mid-level leaders to the heavy hitters through the 12% infinity bonuses and various group bonuses that penetrate deep into their organization. The infinity bonuses allow you to make commissions on every product purchase potentially hundreds of levels deep into your organization. Small percentages on large groups of people adds up. On top of these powerful bonuses, For Life also pays out 2% of the worldwide volume called the Premier Pool. Each qualifying period, 2% of company LP is used to create the Premier Pool, a cash bonus pool that split among qualifying affiliates. Qualify at the rank of bronze through Gold Elite and earn shares of the pool. The higher you rank, the more shares you earn. The same principles apply to 4Life's Platinum Pool. 1% of company LP is used to create this pool, a cash bonus pool that's split among Platinums and Platinum Elites. In 2018, 4Life did $324.9 million in revenue, according to Direct Selling News. There were 19 Platinums in 2018 that got to share 1% of the worldwide volume. 4Life's compensation plan is the best Mike has seen,